Hello guys, today I will cook very easy and very tasty good omelette. It's Korean style, but I think something like a Japanese style also. The name is Tonado omelette. It's very popular in Korea now. Very little. After that, 1 cup water to here. And need to melt all. Soy sauce. Tomato ketchup. Come. Ooh, sugar, 1 spoon. Vinegar. Yes, I will make fried rice. I think you know already. Your style or my style, any style is okay. Onion. This is ham. I will use very small. Sorry, more. Because I like ham. On fry pan, cooking oil a little bit. White rice. Ketchup again. Okay, almost done. 2 eggs. Put enough oil. Just make a sauce already. Put here. Basil or parsley is okay. It's good.
Yeah, it's very special.
Very simple.
Simple and nice.
What's the sauce?
You saw. Why are you asking me?
I forgot. So good. Can I have the recipe?
No. My secret recipe. Watching my channel. You can know.